Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day today. It's pretty sunny here, to be honest. Got rid of all the snow in Canada, so enjoying the weather. This is Kattana IDO. It is a huge project on Polkastarter, and the whitelist is actually open right now. If you've watched any Polkastarter projects or have been lucky enough to participate in those Polkastarter projects, they have done crazy. I got into Umbrella and it did like a 30x. I'm staking the rest. I got a nice chunk from that. So applying for these Polkastarter IDOs, it's like low risk and the reward is just insane, to be honest. So Kattana, trade DeFi like a pro. Let's go over Kattana, what they're offering, the problems they're trying to solve, and all that great stuff. First of all, I like the name. And I like their idea. Like I like everything they're bringing in. I might be a user of Kattana if everything they say they're going to do is fulfilled. So trade crypto on DEXs and SEXs, decentralized and centralized exchange with the full suite of trading tools previously only available in CeFi. Technical analysis, portfolio management, trading strategy automation, and more. The ultimate all-in-one trading terminal. So first of all, you can apply for the whitelist. We'll go there first because that's probably why you're here. So definitely easier than the other whitelist processes where you have to go through the website, go to the Telegram, and then figure out where the pin message is or go to their Twitter and all that. You can just do it right on their website. So fill that out and good luck. Hopefully you get whitelisted. Let's go back to the front page. So this is a snapshot of their platform. Analyze market, trade crypto. I found a snapshot on their Twitter as well. You can see all the pairs here, and they're supposedly connected to 40 crypto exchanges, DeFi, decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. You can see here you can have multiple charts up at the same time, so it could even be different exchanges, and they're partnered with TradingView, and TradingView is my favorite charting service, and it has everything you need to trade like a pro. Performance and analysis up here, news hub, and they have a bunch of other things which we can't see right now until they launch their platform. So let's get back to the front page. One crypto trading platform to rule them all. Top rate charting and TA instruments to stay on the edge of the market. I'm assuming that's TradingView, and they have all the tools you guys need to trade. TradingView is free as well. Trading functionality you won't find on crypto exchanges, portfolio management, and aggregated news sources to help you keep track of the market. Automate your crypto trading strategies. So they'll allow you to use stop losses. So you can see here, stop loss, take profit. So you don't have to watch the computer. You don't have to manually do these trades. If you buy at $10, you can put in a take profit at $20 and a stop loss at $9. So, if you lose 10%, but you want to make 100%, and that's all done. Not manually, it's all done automatically, and you don't have to stick around or watch the market. It could happen in your sleep, and it'll trigger those positions for you, those orders for you. And it works with 40 plus exchanges and all available trading pairs. Honestly, the design on the website makes it a little bit hard to read, especially here as well. So the right way to DeFi, key tools and capabilities that will help you have the advantage needed to crush all the existing crypto markets, powerful enough for a top pro, easy enough for a casual trader. And then you can see some of the exchanges up here: Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Bittrex, Bancor, Binance Smart Chain, and that's the front of the web page. That's pretty much it. You can go to Vision. They don't have much information here, so they are a group of traders, developers, and others who see how archaic the centralized global financial system is. The future is DeFi. Even now, DeFi is cutting to CeFi's verticals of lending, insurance payments, and more. And that's so true. There's almost $50 billion locked up in total value in different protocols. And the amazing thing about this is you have full custody of your coins. If you're using MetaMask, those coins are never leaving to exchanges. If you're on the privacy side, you don't need to give up your information. You don't have to worry about a KYC. You don't even have to worry about your funds being stuck on an exchange or your funds being hacked, getting phished, or your exchange account getting hacked, or whatever it may be, because it's all decentralized. It's all you have full custody of your coins and you're in charge. So if you're using a hardware wallet, that's probably the best case. We're creating a trading terminal for DEXs and much more. Kattana is a suite for reliable, professional, and intuitive and very fast trading tools that both novice traders and top pros crave. So just like Bloomberg terminals were the obvious go-to in the old centralized era of the trading, Kattana will be the go-to for DeFi trading because it's built by traders for traders. It's not just an all-in-one trading platform. Traders get automation, low latency execution, premium trading view charts, at their fingertips, and much more. Traders know that the platform you work on is your edge to spot the perfect move. And this is the roadmap. The Kattana terminal started development early in 2017. Technical updates through the bear market, scalable DEX and SEX charts, analysis of ERC20 wallet widgets, trading DEX trade widget release, limit orders for DEX. This is all in 2021. Widgets for signals from closed Telegram channels. So honestly, not much. This is a pretty lacking roadmap, because this is all they're going to do in 2021, and in 2022 start incubation section for token holders. Also on their website, they don't have a white paper, one pager. They don't have tokenomics. You don't know how many like they said, and people are in their Telegram asking. I asked like 7 times, and then you have some pleb coming in, when's Polkastarter, and they'll answer the easiest question. It's like, I'm asking a legit question, like, where are the tokenomics, where is the white paper? And it's like, somebody comes in, it's like, what's the price? And it's like, you guys are answering those. We have legit questions. Anyways, they said check the Twitter. I checked the Twitter, every post. Maybe I just skimmed through it. I couldn't find it. But, it's on Polkastarter. Even with these concerns, these projects blow up. It has a great idea. So, like, getting into a Polkastarter project, regardless of less information, I wouldn't really recommend this for anybody. But it's a no-brainer. There's so much subscribers, there's so much interest in these projects that you just have to kind of get in, and you're not even able to allocate thousands of dollars. It's very limited, so the risk is pretty much close to none. So what is Kattana and why is it shaking up the DeFi world? We pretty much went over that. They're going to allow you to trade on centralized exchanges with full custody of your tokens, and you never have to sign up. So with the core functionality already fully developed and market tested, we can save years of development and deploy Kattana rapidly, taking a few months to add improvements that weren't possible in CeFi but work perfectly in DeFi. We are about ready to release the one trading terminal to rule them all, trading in real time using 40 DEXs, use advanced order types and highest quality charts, and have the kind of command center that is used to be out of the price range for everybody. Cool. The future of DEX trading with Kattana, 3 types of limit orders. We'll go over all of them. Limit market order. So that's when you put a limit order, buy or sell. So if it hits $100, market order. So if it just tips or cracks or pierces $100, it will market order at the next price. Because it could just, if your total order is maybe $1 million and then it just peaks at $100, there's not that much liquidity to fill you in. So it'll start market selling in either direction. You have the limit order, which is conditional order, where the order, buy or sell, same thing, and the type of order is made to protect users from buying at a high price or setting at a low price. It's best to set a limit order after you've done your analysis and you say, okay, I want to buy here. This is my entry. I'll put it down here. Ethereum just broke all-time high. It's at 2065. Maybe you think it's going to 16, 17, 18, and you have to walk away from the chart. You could put your buy order at 1600. So if it hits 1600, that's your fill price. 1600. You're not doing a limit market. And then you have the CD limit order. A CD limit order is, whereby using a button, users will have the possibility to buy and sell the specified asset on centralized exchanges, which is huge, without having to make a deposit on that exchange and or make an account on that exchange, and at substantial high pace with no extra steps. That is huge, to be honest, for everybody that's not able to trade on those exchanges, maybe for regulatory reasons, or where they're located, or they just want to avoid exchanges because not your keys, not your crypto, right? So Kattana is everything a trader would need. Understandable, easy to use, features that form a bigger picture that symbolizes the exclusive added value that we are bringing into the decentralized trading space. Another piece of the puzzle, Kattana has amazing features, scalable charts. So they said that they were using TradingView, and honestly, anybody using TradingView, you can't go wrong. TradingView is like the king of charting. So I use TradingView for all my charting, and then Dex Tools obviously for the DeFi side for Uniswap and things like that, which is TradingView integrated as well. So Dex Tools, TradingView, and if these guys are using TradingView, there's pretty much everything you need as a trader. And then TA sharing, which I love to do because you can share your analysis and other people can share their analysis, and you guys can kind of go off each other. And if they find something that you may like or that just sticks out to you and you say, holy, like that's an awesome trade, I'm going to jump in that too. So they're going to have like a TA sharing section where you can trade ideas and visions with your friends for team, for example, to maybe have feedback about your analysis or to rapidly repost your TA to your subscribers, for instance, so they can take the same trade. Here is the crew behind Kattana. Another thing that I found was that not Dimitro, if I'm saying his name wrong, but Harris Yunus and the CEO, looks like they honestly bought their Twitters because it says made in January 2015, unless they had this Twitter from a long time ago and then they, removed all their old posts. But I follow a ton of people on Twitter and nobody's following them. So, and these are brand new Twitters. Like their last post was less than a month ago, or just less than a month ago. So it says profile created in 2015, but it's a brand new profile. We go here. This LinkedIn's been here for a little bit longer. I have 11 mutual connections with him. He actually has some endorsements from other people, and you can see here his about. He doesn't put Kattana in here from what I've seen, so it's not actually updated, or never mind, right here. So experience Kattana, sorry about that. It is right there and I just missed it. And then we'll go to the third Twitter, which is same thing, brand new Twitter. Nobody I know follows him, and it's like, I don't know everybody, but I follow hundreds of these Twitter accounts, credible Twitter accounts that, that are people in this space. So same thing, made March 2012. Pretty new Twitter. So either like they bought these Twitters, old Twitter accounts, or they just they had old Twitter accounts, deleted all their posts, and then kind of restarted them up like this. So a bit odd, but you see their backers: Moonrock Capital, Morningstar Ventures, ZBS Capital. Like these are some big names. So and it's on Polkastarter. They do their due diligence. I don't think there has been a scam Polkastarter IDO. And if I'm wrong, post below. I'd love to look into that. And that's pretty much it. This is their Polkastarter IDO Medium. I think we just went through all their Medium posts. I wanted to look through their tokenomics. I wanted to look through the white paper. And there's none of that. And if you haven't already, go to the whitelist. I went through their Twitter just to make sure I can look through, to make sure I wasn't missing the tokenomics, to make sure I wasn't missing the white paper one pager, and then report to you guys that there isn't that, because that would be foolish. But I've done my best to look for that, and I couldn't find anything. And I stumbled across some snapshots of their platform, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Especially, I love the fact that, and this is their news hub, I love the fact that, you're full custody of your tokens. You don't have to send them to an exchange. You don't have to make another exchange account or instance like 30 exchange accounts just to get the pair that you want to trade. So I, with the lack of information, with a little, website design errors, nothing too crazy, but the fonting right here, and then the lack of the white paper, the lack of the tokenomics, the lack of the presence on their social medias, I really love the idea. So I'll give it like a strong 7.58. And if you had, a huge team behind it, they have good backers, but just, the team, I don't want to throw the project under just because of that lack of, followers and all that stuff on their Twitter, but just like not answering about the tokenomics and the white paper, and like their team kind of no presence at all, and not like I said, not answering in a Telegram when they're answering like the most basic questions, and I like mass asking that question. Yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on Kattana. I still think it's a awesome pick, and I've definitely whitelisted, and if I'm lucky, I'll get into the whitelist. I'll get Kattana, and I'm going to try out and use their platform. So looking forward to see how it works. And if you guys have any ideas or any IDOs that are coming out and you want them to get reviewed, we're specifically looking at IDOs that haven't came out so we can review them before people ape into them, or IDOs that have came out and are still in that, small micro cap or even medium cap stage that have a ton of room to grow, so a lot of people can access those and have the opportunity to make some money. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.